What's up, guys? Angel VR here. Today, we're gonna be talking about what might be a Gorilla Tag flood update. Maybe like we flooded and stuff. And here are the reasons why, actually. Okay. Anyway, so we all know that caves will get flooded, which come down here. There's signs. Pretty cool. And then there's the ice up there, which is dripping more by the updates. So we know that is gonna flood. So that is not gonna be very fun. And then when it turns nighttime, you guys can see this for yourself, because right now it's daytime. But right now, if it is nighttime in Gorilla Tag, every update, the moon gets closer and closer by the updates. And when the moon gets closer to Earth, the tides become higher or lower. I'm not exactly sure. Pretty sure it's higher though. And so that is what is gonna make water rise up probably. And it's gonna make a flooded map. Like the slide update. It's gonna be like that. So
keep it chill, bro.
There. Okay. So that is pretty cool. Then, like, you know how caves is getting flooded. And then the reason I think City is gonna flood, how I think City is gonna flood, is that rain. I think that like maybe a window will break in here and rain will come pouring in. They'll destroy and City will be flooded. How cool that would be. Wait. Thought I saw something. Also, we're gonna have a space update because I mean they have a rocket ship and it even has a hitbox. Well, like you can hit it like the glass. You can hit. Yeah, that is a thing. Oh, so that will be cool. Oh, someone to mute. Yippee. Okay. Anyway, and the reason I think not canyons, but this is gonna flood, and I'm pretty sure the rain will flood the basement too, but pretty sure. So, in the music, in the thingy, in mountains, like, if you guys can go listen to that, you guys can listen to it on, like, your phone on YouTube or something. Yeah, once you get to a certain part, the music plays like a water sound. So it's either giving a hint that this is gonna flood, that canyon, that mountain is gonna flood, or that caves is gonna. It's giving us a hint about caves flooding, but I could be wrong on this whole flood update. But there also is gonna be a space update because, like I said, the moon is gonna get closer. So that means that we'll be able to like to fly to the moon. Maybe put the rocket somewhere close for us to grab it. And also the reason I think we have a space update is because before the basement, I'm pretty sure this was the newest map. What? Wait a second. No way! Bro, did I just find that out? Oh my gosh! Bro, that looks insane! Like, look! Holy crap, bro! That is insane! Okay, anyway, so they added a sky map. And the only thing that's higher than the skies is like space. And like, so that is one of my theories. And Gorilla Tag needs to fix this. Every time that I go on a server, it just says error. And also sometimes the music in City. Oh my gosh, that looks insane. Oh my god, bro, that is insane, bro. But look how high it goes too. Like, okay, so that is the conclusion of this video. Oh, actually, I have another thing. So, when we got the new update in G-Tech, the Canyons update, pretty cool if I'm gonna be honest. If I'm gonna be honest, it is pretty cool. And so, okay, now, I think they're adding the swinging mechanic for a reason. Because if they do a flood update, they might have ropes like these are all around the map. So you can swing and don't hit the water. They should add a new game. Like, maybe if you fall in the water, you'll turn into like one of the hunt monkeys, the water monkeys, which I'll show right now what it looks like. Go to hunt, leave the server. This is what it looks like. So, pretty cool to be honest. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. Pretty cool, if I'm gonna be honest. Okay, that is going to wrap it up for today's video. Hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And also, if you guys didn't know this, we're just gonna show something really quick. I'm just gonna show something. If you guys didn't know, you can turn on the makes a sound. So cool, pretty cool. If you guys want me to buy that, like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching this video. In the next video.